Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2006 Case 580 Super M Series 2. This machine has a little over 6,300 original hours, starts right up, it's got a 95 horsepower turbo diesel. Machine operates as it should. It's got a 4-in-1 bucket, extend a hoe, stabilization jacks on either side, or outriggers. Machine operates as it should. This is an original paint machine. We did no exterior cosmetic paint to this thing. It's how it came in, and it functions and looks good. See, Robert's gonna go around town here and just go through the functionality of it. It is a 4-wheel drive machine. Not a lot of hours on it. Everything seems to function correctly. Got a full cab. It does not have air conditioning, but it does have heat. But that being said, you can't open the windows up. You can see we've got some flashers up top as well as work lights in the front. Bucket's in nice condition. And we'll let Robert go ahead and operate this thing and show you how it functions. See our 4-in-1 bucket there. But just a nice tight machine. The hoe operates as it should. And with that extend a hoe, it's really useful. A very powerful machine. I've had a couple of these in the past, and when we get them in, they're super desirable. They're a real nice machine for not a ton of money. Robert's going to flip around now and operate the Backhoe portion of this. Flip down our outriggers there. And like I said, this is how we got the machine cosmetically. It is in the original condition. We did no paint work. We like to keep them as original as possible, and that's what we did with this machine. And it's just a nice machine to start with, so we were happy to have it. Nice tight machine though. Now, one of the cylinders on the hoe actually has a little bit of residual drip hydraulic fluid, but it's not actively leaking. Just has a little bit of residual fluid hitting on the cylinder there, but the only thing I can really find was that cylinder. Don't see any hydraulic leaks other than that one, and it's very minor. Just saw it was a little bit of residual fluid. That cylinder up there on the arm. When we get in the cab, I'll show you a little bit better. But as you can see, functions correctly. Very nice, tight machine. Doesn't have a bunch of hours on it. See, the E-hoe functions as it should. If you ever ran a backhoe without that, and then you run one with it, makes you kind of wondering what you've been doing your whole life. It's just a really nice to have that. But as you can see, this unit functions as it should. Goes through all the gears as it should. Got strong hydraulics. You can see all 4 wheels are off the ground right now. our four-wheel drive engages. Everything on this machine works. It's in good condition, original condition too. It's hard to find a machine that hadn't been all painted up, but this is not one of those. Take a look at the cab here as we're going around it. As you can see, it does have some wear and tear, a little bit of paint peeling on the hood, but it has to be expected. It's an 06 machine, but the main thing is I'd rather have an original condition machine than one that's been painted up. This is really in good shape for an 06. See this interior? The driver's seat here does have a little bit of wear on the seat bottom, but nothing out of the ordinary. You can see over here we've got 6,306 hours. Those are the original hours, so it's not a very high hour machine. We do have some heat. Throttle control, backhoe control, 4-stick control. So there is a little residual leak on that cylinder there up top. Notice that. You can kind of see it around there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major, but I just wanted to note that. On this side, just got some compartments and cup holders, but overall just a nice machine, one that starts right up, sounds great. Machine's ready to rock and roll, ready to go to work. Nice tight machine that doesn't have a bunch of hours on it, but it's a heavy duty machine. I like these 580s. This one with the 4-in-1 and the EHO, it can pretty much do anything you want in a backhoe. But you can check this machine out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you. I can ship this vehicle, or machine rather, throughout the United States. Now prices of everything are up right now, including gas, so shipping's a little expensive right now, but give me a call and I can give you a quote on that. We are Lewis Motor Company. We can be found at lewistrucks.com. That's LEWIS, trucks with an S.com. We are located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. If you have any questions on this machine or any other machines, trucks, cars I have listed for sale, please do not hesitate to call me. What a real nice tight machine, 06 model. Inside now, it looks great. Ready to rock and roll. Thank you guys for watching.